Nut drivers have long been used to work on stacked circuit boards or other long bolt applications. For large jobs, manually installing strut fittings, for example, can be time-consuming. Speeding up installation while maintaining the quality and integrity of work is critical to any successful job. New power nut drivers from Klein Tools allow you to do just that. Power nut drivers are available as accessories for power tools with the same functionality, quality, and performance you expect from Klein Tools. Manufactured in the USA, these hollow shaft magnetic nut drivers are designed for long bolts, stud, and threaded rod jobs. The magnetic head holds nuts and bolts to aid in hard-to-reach installations. The full hollow shafts facilitate nut running. The 1/4-inch hex quick connect with wrench assist is designed for high torque loosening applications.
The hand nut driver, you don't have as much power if you have to loosen something up that's already tightened. But the power nut driver, with the use of the drill, made it extremely easy to loosen a tight nut.
You know, it spun that nut up there really fast. It saves you a lot of time screwing around doing that by hand.
They are available in 3 hex sizes and 2 lengths critical to electrical equipment installations. Put a Klein nut driver at the end of your power tool and feel the durable difference. Power nut drivers, manufactured in the USA by Klein Tools and dedicated to the professional tradesperson since 1857. For more information, contact your local distributor or visit our website at www.kleintools.com.